seems to be about sex these days, doesn't it? We even have a topless model on page 3 of our national newspapers. When you think about that, why have we got a page 3 model? Why do we need to be shown breasts before world events? It's like someone stopping you and going, whoa, 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 whoa. Before you go any further, there's some pretty horrific stuff happening in the world. Eh? Just to take the edge off it. Have a look at that. All right, mate. You were watching the news on the telly, and it was a female newsreader, and she said, oh, tonight's news, more trouble in the news. But before that... It's weird, wasn't it? When did page 3 start? That must have been a weird day for the people who had no idea. Imagine people opening the paper that day. They must have gone, whoa, whoa! Have you seen this? I mean, if that girl's missing, that's an inappropriate photo to use, isn't it? Becky from Watford, only 22.